In this video, I'm going to tell you what AI automation is. I'm going to tell you the best 5 most profitable niches you should be in if you're going to build an automation agency. And I'm basically going to explain the business, the pathway to go, your roadmap to go from broke to rich, and your roadmap to go from, well, not paid to paid. So if you're ready, let's get into it. In my last video, I mentioned something about AI automation, but most of you probably don't know what it is. So in this video, I'm basically going to be debunking what AI is, what AI automation is, and how you can make money through this business. So now here's the first part of the video. What is AI? So everybody has a general idea of what AI is, but only few people really understand truly what AI actually is. So now, first of all, AI is just an acronym. Artificial intelligence. That's it. But you already knew that. So now here's the part that you don't know. My personal definition of AI is just data which has been put into a supercomputer, which has been programmed to perform a particular task every time it's met with a particular request. For example, ChatGPT. Every time you type in a question, which is the said request, ChatGPT replies by giving you the correct answer to your question, which is the action. So now, how does it do that? How can ChatGPT do what it does? ChatGPT is not smart. To be honest, it's actually dumb. AI is actually dumb because without somebody who is a trained professional or a trained programmer actually programming it to do what it needs to do, then AI is basically dumb. So now let's go to AI automation. AI automation is basically taking a job which was meant for humans to do and delegating it to AI. So now, for example, let's say that you were working at a 9-to-5 job at a hospital, and your job was to set appointments for anybody who came in and said they wanted to see a doctor, no matter what the reason was. Your job was just to set the appointment. Easy enough, right? But now, when we input AI automation, we create a system which is powered by AI that can also automatically set appointments for any patient who comes into the hospital and says they want to meet the doctor. In other words, giving you less of a job to do because AI is doing the job for you instead. So now you have more time to focus on more important things, like making sure customers actually get good customer service. And that in itself is a whole job on its own. Because I know how hard it gets to deal with these Karens out here. And if you don't know what a Karen is, just go on the YouTube search bar and look up Karen, and you're gonna find many videos of them. It's a full-time job to do with these people. No kidding. And if you want to know something about customers in business, is that they want 2 things. They want high quality results and they want them fast. AI can literally do these 2 things for you with no stress at all. And as an AI automation agency or as an AI automation freelancer, your job is to build systems powered by AI, which, number 1, save time for businesses and make money for them. Because those are the only 2 things that businesses care about. Is it saving me time or is it making me money? Since by default, every AI system that you can ever create is going to be probably 10 times or 100 times faster than a normal human, the saving time aspect is always checked out. But now, this is where the real gold is. Can you create a system that can save businesses time and also make them money? This is basically what is going to separate you from all of your competition. So now, people, you know what AI is and you know what AI automation is. So now let's get into the 5 most profitable niches you can get into with AI automation and make a ton of money with this business. Number 5, law firms or accountants. If you've ever had a legal issue, you know how many documents you have to go through. There's so many things going on just in one single case. So this is where you come in as the AI expert and create a system for them that can literally summarize all the data or all the fine print that they have on every paperwork, and will give them only the most important details of each paperwork. Imagine how much time and stress you just saved them. Same thing for accountants. Accountants have to do with so much paperwork, they have to do with so much calculation, they have to do with so many numbers. Just give them something that can do it quickly. So now the 4th one on our list is doctors' offices or hospitals. I've already talked about this earlier in the video. A lot of doctors' offices have patients coming in to them every second of the day, wanting to set an appointment to see a doctor, or coming out having already set an appointment to your doctor. And the reason why when you walk into a hospital, you see so many long lines of people waiting to see doctors is because they need more speed. What if you created a system or a persona that people could chat to online? They could chat to this persona and it will automatically set the appointments for them. You're printing that money already. Number 3, we have car dealerships. Many car dealerships have to deal with selling cars to people who are unsure of what kind of car they want to buy. When you go into a car dealership, you have so many different cars under so many different types of cars under the same brand. There are just so many options for you to have. And human nature is when you're presented with so many options, you have no options to pick. It's very hard to pick a choice. And now this is where you come in as the guy, the AI expert, and you present a solution to them. Bam! Slam it on their table. Build an AI system that literally helps the customer make a choice on which car they want to buy. Number one, you save them time because now they don't have to hire a salesman to come in and talk to the client for about 2 hours plus because they can't make a decision on which car they want to buy. And you make them money because now you make it easier for the buyer to make a choice. In other words, making it easier for them to buy a car. That's how you make that cash, bro. Number two, the second most profitable niche is e-commerce, which is the niche I'm personally going to be in. So now this one's good because how many times have you ordered from wish.com and your order arrived and you hated it? But you decided, okay, I'm going to return this. But you didn't know how to. So you had to go back to wish.com and scavenge all over the website just to look for instructions on how to return your package. And by the way, I never ordered from wish.com. I'm just giving an example. But for the most part, this is where you come in as the AI expert and give them, slap it on the table for them. Be like, yo, I'm an AI expert. I can build a system for you that will tell customers whatever they need to know just by asking it a simple question. I need to answer them anytime, any day, any second, any hour. 24/7, 365 days. And by the way, just one quick pro tip for you guys. Any business you come across that has a shitty website are automatically disqualified. And the reason is simple. If you want to create an AI chatbot or an AI system for a business to improve customers' experience on their website, there's no point in creating one for them if they already don't care about how their website looks. So if any business at all that you approach already has a shitty website, that's an automatic disqualification. And then the last and the most profitable niche, in my opinion, number one, is real estate. You can come into real estate businesses and build sales chatbots for them. You're going to literally build a chatbot that sells houses to people who come in and want to buy houses from them. And you're going to do it online. Guys, things are changing. Business is going online. Majority of the businesses that are going to be going on from now till the future comes, they're going to be run online. And this is one of the things that has changed. So the best thing you can do is create a sales chatbot, a sales system, which is going to sell houses to customers when they come into the website of the business, or when they come in and they're looking for a house to buy. We can recommend them houses. You can book appointments for them to go see viewings. Guys, if you can make this, you're literally going to be making a system for real estate businesses that can save time and make money. And that's what you want to be in. So now we're coming to the end of the video. I made a good purchase. I just bought a new mic for you guys. So I think the audio quality should be increasing right about now. And if you can hear the difference, then just let me know. For the most part, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I hope you guys learned a lot from what I said in this video. This is genuinely how our videos are going to be looking. And at the end, I'm always going to show my face because, I don't want you guys to forget that I'm the one running this channel. And I'm the one who's bringing you guys all the value that you need to know. So again, thank you for watching this video. Come back again and have a nice one. I'll see you in the next one.